guys, this is Will from CryptoFromBed.com. Today guys, another great review for you guys. Today I'll be looking at the cryptocurrency Ethereum Classic against the Bitcoin, against the US dollar, and of course against Ethereum itself. And so you guys can see here, I'm looking at a chart of Ethereum Classic against the US dollar. If I play out, since my plan out, I predicted there's a potential bullish breakout occurring, and obviously we see here when price was in this range, I predicted that there could be a peak moving upward, and of course we do see that as price managed to move above 30, now pushing, trying to push above 34, currently trading at 33.682. As you can see here though, of course we have this massive key resistance right here, just under 43. That of course is its all-time high. But today Ethereum Classic had a great run, up 16%. Today has been a great day for cryptocurrency market. A lot of coins are up. For example, Luna, Ethereum's up a lot as well. And I think this move upwards is partly due to the fact that Ethereum itself is also moving, I think, up today almost about at least 14% as well. Anyways, guys, breakout from this declining channel you can see here, of course, with the massive spike here, but nevertheless, I see this as basically a channel, and we see here that price has managed to once again break through the channel. But we see here, of course, we have to look for continuation and consolidation. Although we see this massive dip which occurred last Friday. As you guys know, with a lot of cryptocurrency following that day, but nevertheless we see move back up here. We see that price, despite this massive candlestick moving down here, we see here that price has managed to respect the key resistance here, and now we're moving back up, pushing beyond this key resistance. Of course, now guys, I'll be looking for price to move above 40 and eventually entering to these keys resistance zone above $40. Looking at Ethereum Classic against the Bitcoin, I do see a triangle structure occurring, and of course what I do potentially see in the coming weeks ahead, if Bitcoin fails to move above 15,000, we could potentially see this ratio increasing to continue to increase. If Ethereum Classic does manage to move, say, above 43, hitting 50, and while Bitcoin reduces, either remains the same or decreasing price, say hitting 10,000, then we will see, of course, this ratio moving back up here and to this key resistance here. Looking at Ethereum Classic against the Ethereum itself, we see that price just previously bounced from key support here. As we see here, this key support was tested for many days, in fact weeks here, and of course the ratio failed to break through this key support here, and now we see that the ratio also managed to bounce from this key support again. Now of course I'll have to look for continuation and consolidation if we do want to see Ethereum Classic move against Ethereum. Nevertheless, since the inception of Ethereum Classic, the ratio has been falling. Ethereum has just basically worth more, but of course excuse me guys, in this ratio we'll look for Ethereum Classic potentially moving up here if the bullish breakout continues to move say beyond $50 against the US dollars. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. If you guys do like this video, please like it, and of course if you guys want more analysis video, please do subscribe. And just one last thing guys, I think Bitcoin Cash could potentially be having a bullish breakout as the time of this video, and of course stay tuned. I'll have analysis coming up for that as